everybody, this is my new cat Kira right here, and I want to show you this is feeding time with Kira. I've got a little plate of food here, a little wet food. We're going to go upstairs and I'm going to film what Kira sounds like. Hey Kira, you want some food? You want some food? Kira, you want that? Come on, come on. Kira, you want that? You want it? You want that? What are you doing? You want that? You want that? Come on. Doesn't she have a lovely meow? What are you doing? You want that? Kira, you want that? You want that? Kira, you want it? Kira, you want it? You want it? Kira, you want it? What are you doing? You want that food? Do you want that food? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? It's right here. Kira, you want that? You want it? You want some? Come on. You're a dork. Okay, right here. You can get it right here, right here. You want some? There you go. There you go. After all that begging, you won't even eat it. Are you gonna eat that? Kira. How about I pet you, huh? Are you gonna be nice? Are you gonna be nice to me? Who's that? Is that Allie? Allie? Oh, here comes Yonex. Which Kira hates Yonex. Kira! Hey, look at me. Look at me. Give me a nice shot. Come here. Kira. Kira. There you go. Hi, girl. Hi, beautiful. Say hi. Okay. Can you look? Can you look at me? Can you look? Hey. Oh, here comes somebody. Who's that? Say hi, Allie. Hi. Oh, there's Yonex. Come here, Allie. Come here. Allie. Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Allie? Allie. There's Kira. Say hi, Allie. Oh, Yonex is right here. Allie's not very happy with that. He's coming up to get their food, I think. Kira. So we're hoping that all this howling will soon give way to little hello, Kira. That's my other Bengal in the bathroom. If you just heard that little meow. Can you say hi,